This is the story of Hachiko, the dog who waited, in the 1920s in Tokyo, Japan. A golden Akita dog named Hachiko would wait every day at Shibuya Station for his owner, Professor Ueno, to come home from work. One day, the professor suffered a brain hemorrhage and died at work. But Hachiko didn't know that. He kept waiting for his owner, day after day, year after year, in the same spot at the same time. Commuters saw the dog's devotion and started bringing him treats, rain or shine. People would come from all over Japan to see the dog who waited. And in 1934, a bronze statue was erected in his honor. Hachiko attended the unveiling himself. To this day, Hachiko's statue still stands in Shibuya, surrounded by flowers, a symbol of Japan's reverence for loyalty and love. That's all for today. See you next time.